Thousands of years ago, when people couldn't read or write, they drew pictures to communicate with each other. There have been numerous discoveries of prehistoric drawings on the walls of caves where early humans depicted their ways of expression. One such form of visual expression is floor and wall painting, practiced by Indian women for centuries. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of Indian traditional floor paintings and try to know about their interesting history, mythology, and psychology in short. So let's start.
Welcome to the YouTube channel of Swadeshs. Here we create beautiful and informative videos on Indian art and culture. If you find value, please like, share, and subscribe. Also press the bell icon to get regular updates.
In different regions of India, traditional floor paintings are known by different names like Alpana in Bengal and Assam, Aripana in Bihar, Jhoti Chita in Orissa, Chowk Purana in Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and parts of Uttar Pradesh, Mandana of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, Kolam in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala, Muggu in Andhra Pradesh, Aipan in Uttarakhand. It is difficult to determine the origin of the art. It might have been passed down to us from the Austric people who inhabited the nation for a very long time, even long before the arrival of the Aryans. According to the authorities, the ritualistic and traditional folk art of Bengal, Alpana, originally belonged to the early agrarian communities to ward off evil spirits and ensure a plentiful supply of crops. One of the seals from Mohenjo-daro incorporates the earliest visible signs of floor paintings. The pattern in the seal, according to Pupul Jaikar, was geometric in form and resembled a mandala. The motifs and designs used in making the Bengali Alpana today have their parallel motifs seen on potteries from Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. The designs can be categorized into two main groups based on appearance and regional use. One drawn in the mountainous areas and the other was drawn on the fertile plain land of India. Geometrical designs or Akriti Pradhan found predominantly in the mountainous areas like Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and the southern peninsula. The geometric designs are connected to tantric mysteries. Floral designs or Vallari Pradhan are done predominantly in fertile plain land like in Bengal, Bihar, Orissa, Assam. The floral patterns are connected with socio-religious and magical religious practices. There is another design type in South which is more like floral geometry. These paintings are mostly done with rice powder, rice paste diluted in water, dry color powders produced from dried leaves, charcoal, burnt earth, etc. The rice flour used served as bhuteyajna, an offering to tiny creatures like ants and other insects and birds. It is like maintaining a connection with the nature in a wider sense. Traditionally, rice powder is used as a preventive measure against chickenpox during the summer, and hence it is applied on the faces of children in several parts of India. The majority of wall paintings were created so that they can be removed after a season and a new painting illustrating a new season can be created. On the other hand, daily patterns were made on the floor to represent the start of a new day. Connection to fertility and abundance can be seen through the symbolic use of colors. White is the color of the male reproductive fluid, representing Purusha. Red, the color of female reproductive fluid, representing Prakriti, who holds the promise of creating new life. Tantric psychology states that when the white seed of man successfully fuses with the red seed of woman, the dead are reborn, or simply represent rebirth or a new creation of life. Therefore, it is not surprising that these colors have been most frequently used in floor paintings throughout India. Alpana is a folk art of Bengal. In addition to Lakshmi Puja, alpanas are a symbol of female expression associated with Vrat or Broto, which means fasting. There are a number of Vrat held traditionally by the women of Bengal, and usually each are associated with an alpana. Some of the popular Vrat held by the women of Bengal are Purnipukur Broto Alpana, drawn by unmarried girls, invoking the goddess to keep the lakes and ponds in the community filled with water and keep their soil fertile. Dosh Putul Broto. This alpana depicts 10 dolls holding hands while standing in a circle and reinforces the feeling of harmonious living of a family. Shejoti Broto Alpana, drawing of 52 motifs that include everyday items such as household utensils and tools used in various professions. This alpana represents all the things needed to live a comfortable, happy life. Lokhi Broto Alpana, drawn to invite the deity of wealth and prosperity. This alpana is perhaps among the most popular ones being practiced today. Nabanno Broto Alpana. This alpana is made near paddy fields to pray for a good harvest and wealth. There are other Vrats and alpanas as well. This is a huge topic by itself, and we will cover it in a dedicated video related to alpanas of Bengal. Aripan is a variation of traditional Madhubani painting practiced in Bihar. The word Aripan is derived from the Sanskrit word Alpan, meaning to smear. In fact, we have a detailed and dedicated video related to Madhubani painting. You can check it using the I button link. Aipan is one of the Kolam style traditional floor painting that is done in the state of Uttarakhand. This art carries a significant amount of social, cultural and religious significance. The art of Aipan is passed on from generation to generation. Traditional Aipan features ornamental geometric patterns, flowers and linearly drawn patterns. Vasudhara, made as a decorative border around the Tulsi plant, the Puja Vedika or Puja altar and places of worship. Swastik, the majority of religious rituals involve drawing it in some way or other. In Hindu mythology, the swastik stands in for all gods and goddesses, known and unknown. Lakshmi Pad Chinha or footprint and Lakshmi Peeth, drawn on the occasion of Diwali in the puja room, comprises the footprints of goddess Lakshmi and the Lakshmi Yantra respectively. There are other styles and forms of Aipan like the Alpana of Bengal. Comment and let us know if you are interested to know more about the Aipan. Jhoti Chita is the popular and traditional Oriya wall and floor art done mostly in the rural areas. Drawn to create a connection between the mystical and the material, as well as to decorate the home, Jhoti Chitas are symbolically significant. The village women perform a number of rituals throughout the year to fulfill their desires. On the floor or on the wall, a specific motif is drawn for each occasion. Muggu is the traditional floor painting of Andhra Pradesh. Every morning, just before the sun rises, the women of the village wash the courtyard and the front door with water. Then on this ready surface, the Muggu is drawn. The women of the house engage in Muggu for a full month during the Sankranti harvest season. The Muggu has occasion-specific design on significant festival days like Deepavali, Navratri, Ganesh Puja, Varalakshmi Vratam or Ugadi. Kolam is the traditional floor painting in southern parts of India. This art form is practiced daily and on festive occasions. Kolam is regarded as a sort of painted prayers. The design usually comprises symmetric lines, curved loops, crisscross patterns, and dots. Kolam designs can extend all the way from a home's courtyard to the street on special occasions like wedding, pujas, and festivals. It is believed that columns painted at a homes in France bring prosperity and success to its residents. Kolam is a vast topic in itself. We will definitely try to create a dedicated video on Kolam in future. Mandana paintings are the traditional wall and floor paintings of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. In order to welcome gods into the home, protect the home and health, and mark special occasions, mandanas are drawn. The artwork is associated to the Meena community of Haroti area. The design may show Ganesha, peacocks, women at work, tigers, floral motifs, etc. Mandana paintings are also practiced in part of Nepal. Though there are a lot of examples of masterpieces drawn on canvas that have become hugely popular and even received cult status. And at the contemporary time, art has moved hugely to the digital media. But these ancient painting styles, traditionally done on floor and walls, connect in a much more immediate way with the people and are intricately woven into the social and psychological structure of our beautiful country.
Hope you find the video useful and informative. Comment and let us know if we missed something. Please like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.